Meta, which is now submitted its response to the government's notice regarding its proposed username feature, according to sources, and the extended deadline that has been provided by the government has now expired, and the authorities are said that they will be reviewing Meta's submission along with the relevant facts before deciding on the next course of action. Now, the username feature will not be rolled out in India until the government completes its examination and also the review process. Let's connect with Sabyasachi on this. Sabya, good morning. WhatsApp has said that the users will still need a phone number when it comes to creating and using an account. So what is that on their account that they are now coming out to say that they have built multiple layers of protection against scams involving usernames?
Well, see, what WhatsApp is saying that this is from the point of security and from the point of privacy, that if you want to share your number, you can share your number. Otherwise, people can connect you with the username, and you can also filter the number of people who can contact you in WhatsApp. So from WhatsApp point of view, this is a privacy feature that they have brought in, but the government of India have made it very clear that this is only going to increase the digital scams across the country, and it's going to be extremely difficult for the local police and the agencies to track down people using the username. So that is what the government has said. Meanwhile, the government clearly pointed out to Meta when they were here in the national capital. The compliance officer of Meta met with the IT officials, and the IT ministry clearly told that this username feature should not roll out in the country until and unless the examination is completed. And the government have asked for a detailed response from Meta, seeking that why shouldn't they take action against them under the IT Act. And Meta has said that we will fully comply with the law of the land, and until the government clears it, we are not going to roll out this feature.
Of course, that will happen gradually, according to the company, saying that it had also reserved high-profile usernames, including those of public figures and government entities and celebrities, and verified Meta accounts, so that only legitimate owners can actually claim them. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for getting us that update.